Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to rip out all of the wiring on Klaus. We have our new custom-made chassis harness coming in. It's actually in the mail right now, but I have to keep moving because we got 3 weeks to get everything done. So we're gonna go ahead and we are gonna rip out every single wiring. It's completely replaces everything. So the only wiring that we'll have in the car is our Holley standalone ECU, and then just basically our chassis harness to control headlights, brake lights, turn signals, and a fuel pump wire. And yeah, that's about it. Oh yeah, it's a little windy out here. I got the doors open because it's kind of nice. Unlike Florida people where it's 50 degrees outside, they have snow hats, winter coats on, gloves, freezing temperatures for them, and it's 50. It's like 38 degrees and sunny right now, and I just have jeans and a hoodie on, and it's like comfortable, like it feels warm and nice. That's the difference between those little Florida people and us. But we're gonna go ahead. I honestly don't even know where to start. Those wiring's gotta come out, and then this entire dash has to come out. Yeah, so that's gonna suck. And then all these wires you see, all those going all the way to the back. So I think what I'm gonna do is just start from the front and work my way back. So I'm gonna get started on that. I got most of what I can out of the front, and you would not believe my anxiety right now while I'm doing this. I'm just clipping wires, getting rid of wires. Hopefully I remember what goes back to what. I'm leaving some of this aftermarket stuff that I added for now, so that way I know what it goes to, and when we get the nice harness I will clean it up and make it look better. But I was trying to get this fuse box off because we don't need this relay anymore. But it looks like these bolts come in through the inside and then screw into the box, which means we need to start on the dash. So the dash will be getting torn out a lot sooner than what I thought it would. It's gonna be a process. I don't know how to take out a dash, but we're gonna find out. So let's get to it. Update time. I got the dash out and all the wiring from the front out. I don't know if the time lapse caught most of it. You probably didn't need to see a lot of it. It's a good thing I wasn't like recording a lot of it because there's a lot of cuss words and throwing hammers and stuff like that. It's totally awesome stuff. But here's the dash. As I was like torquing on it and trying to get it off, it's 30 years old and sunbaked and fragile. So that cracked. That was awesome. Got all that out. Oh, no, I don't want you to see the wiring yet. You see, I got all this out. Right now, this is just some wiring for some gauges, and then the Holley. That's all the wiring that's left up here. And then going into the car. Look at that. It's all clear. There is no wiring except for the Holly in there. I just need to get, oh yeah, the rest of that key stuff out, and then I need to clean up some of the bolts because a lot of stuff was kind of making me angry, so I just started clipping wires and I will just clean it up later. But there's so much room for activities in here. I'm gonna either put this broken dash back in, fix it up, make it look fine, or get a fiberglass dash or something like that. So here's what we took out. That is absolutely crazy. That's a 30-gallon trash can, way overflowing, so that's like 50 gallons worth of wiring and whatever else is underneath the dash. Look at that nasty spaghetti mess. All of that. I don't need any of that, so we got rid of it. Yeah, and anxieties for the roof because there's now no wires. There's an engine in a million pieces. There's crap everywhere, and the car is basically a shell, and I have 3 weeks to get it done. Awesome. Love life. Gonna need more beer for sure. So yeah, that's it. Oh yeah, the GoPro fell over, broke the flashlight for that. It's been a great night, guys. I'm totally having a blast. Oh yeah, we got a new fuel injector cleaner. We'll show you that another time. We'll do a review on it, clean some injectors, show you how it works. But that's that. So it's like 9 o'clock. Haven't ate yet today. Need some dinner. Wife's probably mad at me. So I'm gonna go inside real quick, get some food, take a shower, go to bed. We'll be back in the morning. Wait, no, I gotta work tomorrow. We'll be back tomorrow time. Who knows? We're just gonna be back. Alright guys, we are all done ripping out all of the wires on Klaus. I went ahead real quick and did just a sloppy little spray paint in here with some more red. That's one coat so far, might do another. It's just for that tire smoke from the burnout and the radiator fluid going everywhere. Had this engine bay just completely black and gunked up. So I degreased it, wiped it down, and then I just kind of shot over it to clean it up, make it look a lot better. You can see the same thing like in here. It's all nice and cleaned, swept up. Shot a little bit of stuff that didn't have paint on it from the factory, so that way it doesn't rust. We have a new fiberglass dash that's actually should be coming like in a week or two, hopefully within a week, because I need that a lot sooner than later. But you can see there's no wiring in there except for the power from the back of the battery, and then right now the Holly harness. Going back here, nothing. I just got a train horn wire all the way around and then to the back. No wiring at all except for the tail light and this license plate light, and then just our fuel pump relay stuff. All that's normal, but every single stock factory wire is ripped out of this car. The dash, everything. You saw that big trash can full, ended up filling like another trash can full. So yeah, I think we should also be getting the harness later this week. I hope so. The new Bald Eagle camshaft just got shipped, so that should be here later this week. The heads, Logan's putting them together right now. That should be ready later this week. A lot of shoulds, but as of right now, I'm just kind of at a standstill. I'm just kind of cleaning it up, doing some odd and end painting because I can't do too much until I get the rest of these parts in. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end it off there, guys, and we will see you next time. Alright guys, it's time for some merch. We are stocked up and ready to go. We sold out a couple of weeks ago out of everything, but we have it all stocked up right now. First, we have our Hidden Motorsports employee shirts. They're small to 3XL. They got the company logo on front, name and address, all that good stuff on back. You've seen us wear them all before. Then we have our Klaus the Barbarian shirts that Elite Designs and T-Shirt Labs made for us. You saw those all over at Cletus and Cars. The entire team wore them. They're absolutely amazing. Love these shirts. Hoodies are back in stock as well. We got this nice blue one that I'm wearing, and then we also have a nice gray one. I should be posting up all these pictures alongside of it somewhere around here. Those are back in stock. They're great. Hats, we got 4 or 5 different types of hats: red, gray, blue, black, everything. Got all the hats. Decals, There are 5 different types of decals. Go ahead and pick whichever decal you want. Also, from now until the end of the month, every order comes with free burnt rubber. That's right, real, legit burnt rubber from Cleats and Cars. It's all over Klaus. We have a lot to spare, so yeah, we'll throw in some burnt rubber in there for you. But hey, help us out, guys. Support us, because all this money just helps going back into Klaus and other projects and other things that we're going to do in the future. Let's get back to the action.